Everything said and done in this video is for entertainment. Don't take anything seriously. Everyone is also 18, plus, again, don't get butt hurt about anything said or done. Enjoy the video.
I guess. Yeah, it's always streamers.
Who said I was streaming?
Vlogging, whatever.
I'm not. I don't do that. That's lame.
So what's
So,
that?
so why you got a whole set? And
I do OnlyFans.
Oh, see why?
Freaky ass nigga.
What's up? Are you
Yo.
a boy or a girl? That's a boy.
I'm a girl. I'm a girl.
Are you you sound like a man.
No, I'm a
So
girl.
you don't care if somebody put that in your booty hole? You a man.
I'm a
Stop
stud.
lying.
I'm a
So you want
stud.
me
I
to-
don't like shit like that.
You a stud, you gay.
You was a man.
I'm a stud.
Do you want do the boy
What if I stick my finger up your booty hole?
Yo,
What else?
yeah, throw this up. It's not a game.
What
I
is that?
promise.
Wait, what is that?
It's not a
What
game.
is
It's not a
that?
game. It's not a game.
What is it?
YBL. It's like you know Ken Carson.
Ain't you a little bit too big to be playing Fortnite?
Me?
Yes, you.
How you know I be playing Fortnite?
Nigga, look at your profile.
Oh shit. I'm a little too. How old do you think I am, lady?
You look about 22.
22. I'm about to change.
That's cap.
No, it's not. My birthday's literally April 21st.
Oh, you an Aries or a Taurus?
A terrorist.
Ow. It's not a Taurus, it's a Taurus. Get it right.
Terrorist.
It's called a Taurus,
How
not
you
a Taurus.
how you gonna tell me how to say my own zodiac sign?
It's not a Taurus, it's a Taurus.
That's like me telling you how to say your name.
Anyways.
Anyways. Cause I don't
You
get
too
why you
big to
trying to argue. I'm too big. I'm
That's cap.
tapped in on that music, bro. I can't. Yo.
Hey, sorry, I was singing.
Bro, I had a Pokemon. I had a Pikachu like that, but it was a big hole in the butt.
Why would you have a hole in the
I
butt?
cut it.
What is your problem? Why are you just violating? Like,
I don't know. I just cut it. Like, can't lie.
I say, hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Wait, are you? You?
Are you tweaking?
I gotta be. I gotta. Something ain't right, bro.
This is not Tinder. The fuck?
Sorry, guys.
Yeah. No, I want to see a nipple.
Did she just say? No, wait, no. I'm not tripping, right? Did she just say she want to see my nipple?
I didn't say that.
I second that.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Wait, is he a streamer?
What happened? Why we going crazy? Oh my god.
Are you a streamer?
No. No, I don't stream.
Why you y'all say hi? Hi stream, hi stream.
Well, I'm not streaming. Where's chat? Who's chat?
Stop that up.
Yo.
He's streaming.
No,
Are
I'm
you
not.
streaming?
Nah. I don't stream.
Do you rap?
No. I do.
Wait.
I do OnlyFans. Probably skip me because the fit. Yo.
Yo,
Yo, is my fit
What?
hard?
I was just gonna ask, what is that?
It's a onesie.
Like, what is
Where the
that?
fuck is the rest of the? I see the one. Where the Z?
I
Like,
had to cut the sleeves off because like it was too little. Like
so it wasn't meant for you.
basically. So I had to make it fit. You feel me?
Is it like the Grinch? Oh, it is.
Yeah, it is the Grinch. Why nobody fuck with my onesie, bro?
My fucking top just broke right now. And I have to glue it together.
Wait. Are you like, did you make like a transition?
I don't know what that means.
Are you trans?
No.
Wait, stand up. Stand up right quick.
I'd rather not.
Oh, cause I'm gonna see a sword. I'm gonna see a sword, ain't I?
Yeah, actually not. But
You got it removed?
he said a sword.
Well, you got it removed?
It's not. I never had a sword, boo.
So you're a purebred born female?
I'm whatever you want me to be.
Okay, I ain't gonna lie.
I like shit. I hopped out so quick, then I raised my. Gotta make your move.
Gangsta niggas. And I was smart, like some had. Is that a dick? Wait, I gotta go. You're like, are you white?
Am I white? Do I look white?
Yes.
A little bit.
Like, I'm so serious. Like, all jokes aside, like, are you actually white? Like,
No.
Oh.
wait, what are you?
You mixed.
What's your ethnicity?
I'm Hispanic.
Yo,
My
I know.
ethnicity
That's what I said.
is
shawty.
Hispanic.
That's what I said. I feel like you're trying to play with my manliness right now.
Manliness.
Are you trying
You
to
trying to say he
are
ain't
you,
got no
yeah, are you
manliness?
trying to say I'm not a man? Is that what you're trying to say?
Trying to say he's feminine?
I'ma just say, let your other friend talk. How about we just let the other friend talk?
Hey, wait a minute. Let's not talk to my brother like that, okay?
Oh.
So how was
So
your
you-
day today, man?
Actually, you stop talking. You can talk again.
Hey, how you gonna tell? Hey, nah. How you gonna tell me to stop talking? But then when I start talking, you gonna tell me not to talk? Cause I'll really get on you right now, yo big forehead ass.
Okay, then get on me then.
On my son, stop talking. 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 Shut it down. 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 Shut it down.
Hey guys, can we call like a truce? Like I feel like we
Make
like
me shut up.
okay, you
Shut it, pal.
prove your
Make
point,
me
madam.
shut up.
Oh my god. Clock his tea. Anyways.
Hey, W Rage Bait.
Make me shut up.
You think he go that?
Little bitch.
And your nigga got this ass. He calling for his cash. My mama hella mad. I'm walking to your nigga hood. He finna get a bag.
Oh.
That's hard. That's hard.
Y'all fucking with it?
Yeah.
Yes, bro. Drop that right now.
Drop that or is you lying? I ain't gonna fake. I think you.
I ain't gonna lie. We lying.
Yeah, we know, bitch.
I ain't gonna lie. We not.
But I feel like I haven't
Yo, I
been
got
on this
it.
in so long. Bro. This nigga have a this Nick Cannon?
Fuck!
You got
Fuck! I get that all the time, bro. No, I'm not Nick
This
Cannon.
nigga do it like Nick Cannon, yo.
Bro.
Oh my
Nick
God.
Cannon, bro.
Hey, he related to him in some
He
type
gotta
of
be.
way.
Yo, is that that's fucking.
You look like Speed Brother, dude.
Oh.
Do what I mean, Kylie.
Yo, what the?
I'm gonna just leave. I'm gonna leave it, bro.
Bro, this dude just. Bro, this is. Oh
Full orange is crazy.
Fuck